In today's video, I'm going to figure out the cause of the F02 error code I'm getting on my Whirlpool Duet washer. Please stick with me. Let's get into it. First thing to do is unplug the washer. Next, have to remove the front cover by removing these 3 screws. The F02 error code occurs when there's a drainage problem. I had this code before and the drain pump filter was full of debris. So I'm hoping this is the same issue. Grab some towels. This will help prevent water from going everywhere when the washer drain pump filter is opened. With the filter out, it's clean, so that's not a problem. I also checked the hoses and there was no blockage in those. Time to remove the pump. Grab some pliers and loosen the 2 hose clamps going to the pump. Also, important note, before I removed the pump, I reinstalled the filter basket and ran the washer through a cycle. When the washer tried to drain, I could hear the pump buzzing. So I knew it was getting power, but not draining. This led me to replacing the pump. With the hoses removed, time to remove the power coupler to the pump. Note there's a tab you have to press down to remove the coupler. Quick note, the coupler has little nubs which prevents it from going in the wrong way when you reinstall. Time to remove the pump from the rubber grommets. The water pump has openings for the grommet to slide into. The opening on the water pump faces to the front for the grommet to slide out and faces the rear of the machine to slide out the back of the pump. This is an illustration of how the rubber grommets remove from the rear feet of the pump. With the old pump removed compared to the new one, and it looks like an exact match. Alright, time to install the new pump. Slide your inner grommet in first. Then insert the back 2 grommets into the rear feet of the pump. With this done, now we can insert the power coupler. And it just slides in easily. Again, the way they designed the nubs on here, only one way to insert this. With the power coupler inserted, now we can reinsert the wire into the clip here. Now we can reinstall the hoses back onto the new pump. Grab your pliers. With this done, now the project is done. Just have to put the front cover back on. Super easy DIY project. Saves you hundreds of dollars. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please give a thumbs up, leave a message, and subscribe.